Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to create a color combination palette that comes from an image using Coolors.co. This is not a paid advertisement. But, I used Coolors for more than 6 months. By the way, if you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe, like, and press the notification bell for me to make more videos. Without further ado, let's get started. First, let's search for an image. Let's go to google.com and type nature. Then, click the image tab, and let's search for a beautiful nature. After choosing an image, click on it, and we will right-click on the image that pops up on the right side of the page. Choose Copy Image Address, and we will go to Coolors.co. On the menu bar, click More, and click Pick Palette from Photo. Now, click Browse an image, and select the URL tab. Paste the copied image address, and click OK. You can manually choose your desired colors by dragging the circle around the image. Or randomly choose color by selecting the picked palettes on the top of the palette section. After that, you can export the palette by clicking the export button, or you can choose Open in the generator, View Palette, Save Palette, or Create Collage. So that's it for today guys. I hope you learned something today. If you like this video, please tap that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Peace.